Hi guys, Happy New Year! Happy first day of 2025. First video I'm making for the year for 2025. Anyway, styles that I fast forward is celebrating New Year. I'm sure some people will say new. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, see? Let's see what kind of new things there. Oh, I'm sure Purple Moon or something. Oh. Whoa. Mm-hmm. Oh, the anchor thing came in a new color. Whoa, this too? Oh, the pink? Let's see. Oh my gosh. You know, those hieroglyphics, they're so cool. Okay, well, I'm not done with this just yet. I know another game that celebrates New Year. Animal Crossing New Leaf. Oh, I took a picture of the 2025 fireworks. I'm going to post it later. I heard that this year is the year of the snake. Last year is the year of the dragon. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. Hello there, Josh. January 1st, 2025. Sometimes 12 and 9 p.m. Right? Yes, that's. What's up? Now, I have a question for you all. Listen, hey, Josh. Happy New Year. I hope this will be the best one. Do you like Animal Crossing New Leaf more? Or Animal Crossing New Horizons? I say to myself, Animal Crossing New Leaf. Even though I just wish there was more room in your closet for all this stuff I have on the ground. But you know, it's what it is. Okay. Okay, let's go see. Oh! I forgot to do this. And pop! There's Mary Isabel. Here's Isabel. There she is. Mayor, Happy New Year. I prefer a small friend. Here you go. Enjoy. This year, I figured it was time to pay respect to snakes since they have such a hard life. I mean, they have to slither wherever they go. That must be really hard. To make them feel better, I decided that I'd be giving away some special snake decoration this year. They're cute and white, so why not display one in your home? They can really add a lot to our room. Great idea, Isabel. Okay. This is the rabbit bit for 2023. There's the ox for 2021, the pig for 2019, the rabbit for 2020. I mean, no, wait. That's the rat. I already said the rabbit bits 2021. There's the tiger for 2022. I'm sure it's upstairs. Oh, no way. Tiger, rat... Yeah, there's the rabbit. The tiger. And the ox, rat, and pig are in the back room. So, all I need to find is just the dragon. Yeah, there's the dragon. That's for 2024, last year. And here's the snake. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, I really like the pattern on this one. Yeah, they all make... Here, let me go on this side. They all make nodding heads. It's so cool and funny. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching this video. Goodbye. And Happy New Year.